Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
All right, so I just got this 328i. It's an N20 engine, F30 chassis. I think this car desperately needs an exhaust because it's very quiet. Okay, it's a good sounding engine for a 2-liter, like 4-cylinder, but you can tell that it's really being like muffled by a huge muffler. So we are gonna go do a custom exhaust and see what it sounds like after it's done, and hopefully it's good. Okay, this is gonna be loud. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready for a loud car.
Damn it.
Nice.
Right now, my car is straight piped. There is no resonator, there is no muffler, and I'm kind of liking it. It is, except the drone that you hear around like 2000 RPM when you're cruising, it's really good. If this wasn't my daily driver, I would just like completely straight pipe it, and it's my daily driver, so I'm gonna probably go with a valved option. I'm excited to see what this sounds like when I do a cold start tomorrow morning though. This is the drone. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but this is the drone I'm hearing at around 2000 RPM when I'm cruising. The body kit video is the next video, so make sure to stay tuned. I'm not gonna include anything of how the car is gonna look, what I'm going for, but you're gonna see that in the next video, so stay tuned. Let's go get my girlfriend's reaction to this straight pipe 328i.
It was like, ooh. Oh my god, why did he make it so loud? It's the loudest. Are you happy?
I mean, you can't go much louder, a lot, like, you can't go much.
Yeah, but I wasn't expecting it to be this loud.
You wanna rev it?
Okay, bye.
God damn it.
So we cut off my exhaust like right before the resonator yesterday, so that I can go and get my diffuser sorted out so I can come back today and do the exhaust. But they told me not to full send the car. Me being who I am, I did full send the car. Apparently I burnt something very loud in there. Okay, we're gonna go grab some McDonald's now. This is making me regret my life decisions. I had a perfectly good car, 520D F10. Quiet, it was comfortable. Now we are here at 8 p.m. Gotta go to walking to McDonald's because my car is still at the exhaust shop. I love this car! See, I have no money left, so we don't need this anymore. Let's go hear what the exhaust sounds like right now. This is my daily driver. I didn't want it too loud. So what we did with this exhaust is that we removed the resonator and we changed the muffler. So the stock muffler was very big and heavy, and this is a very small, like lightweight muffler. So we did some weight saving and we did muffle the sound a bit because this car straight pipe did not sound good. I had it straight piped for a day and it was horrible because the drone I would get at 2000 RPM to 3000 RPM was not worth it. It was very bad. I could never live with that. So we added a muffler. It sounds really good right now, in my opinion. I mean, as good as this engine could sound without removing the cats. We still haven't done any tuning or downpipes, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. You have any friends who loves F30s and wants to see more of this, share it with them. I'll see you in the next video. Damn, that's a fat ass.